So what is a virtual private network, or VPN? A VPN is used or designed to allow connectivity between two or more devices. Those two devices can be computers in the same local network, or they can actually be connected over a wide area network or over the internet. There are two major types of VPN: remote access and site-to-site VPNs. There's also many technologies that are available to actually create both of those, remote access or site-to-site VPNs. First one is IPsec, or IP security. The second one is SSL, or secure socket layer. The next one is MPLS. And another example is PPTP, or point-to-point tunneling protocol. So let's take a look at the common topology for remote access VPN. In this case, I actually have a remote client that is actually connected through the internet to the corporate network using an SSL or an IPsec VPN tunnel. And basically what it does is actually terminates the tunnel, in this example, to a Cisco ASA, and then access the corporate resources as if it was actually directly connected to the corporate network. So again, this is actually to transfer information and access corporate resources from anywhere on the internet. In this example, I have two sites, Site A and Site B. Both of them actually have a router. So in Site A, there's a router 1 or R1, and Site B actually has a separate router, R2. They actually both terminate an IPsec tunnel, and basically they do so the computers in Site B can access resources in Site A and vice versa. The main benefits of using either remote access VPNs or site-to-site VPNs include confidentiality, data integrity, authentication, and anti-replay protection. So in confidentiality, only the intended parties can understand the data that is sent, and any party that is eavesdropping may only see the actual packets, but the context of the packet or the payload are encrypted, and this is also called ciphertext. Now, in data integrity, this is actually ensuring that the data is accurate from end to end. So again, both from, in case of the site-to-site VPNs, in the example that we saw before between the two routers, or in the case of the remote access VPN, between the actual client to the ASA firewall. Now, authentication is actually used to do peer authentication in many ways. So for example, you can do authentication for VPNs using pre-shared keys, public and private key pairs, certificates, and also by actually adding user authentication in remote access VPNs. Anti-replay means that once a VPN packet has sent and accounted for, that exact same VPN packet is not valid the second time around. So again, this is actually done to protect against anti-replay attacks.